Have you ever looked at a photo from space and felt like something was staring back at you? Not a planet, not a star, something else. For decades, NASA has captured images so strange, so disturbing, that millions of people believed they could be proof we are not alone. A giant human face on Mars, mysterious glowing lights in deep space, signals from the universe that scientists still cannot explain, and objects floating in orbit that some people believe were never made by humans. But here's the terrifying part. Some of these images were real, captured by NASA's own cameras, and even today, some of them remain unexplained. So tonight, we're diving into the strangest and most mysterious photos ever connected to NASA. And trust me, the last one might completely change the way you see space forever.
Some mysteries were never meant to be solved, but tonight, we uncover them. Welcome to Empty Mystery.
Space is supposed to be empty, silent, cold, lifeless. But the deeper we look into the universe, the stranger it becomes. Because sometimes, NASA captures things that don't look natural at all, and no image represents that mystery more than this: the face on Mars. Back in 1976, NASA's Viking 1 orbiter was scanning the surface of Mars when it captured a photograph that shocked the entire world. At first glance, it looked exactly like a gigantic human face carved into the Martian surface. 2 eyes, a nose, a mouth, almost like someone or something built it. The formation was nearly a mile wide, and people instantly began asking the same terrifying question. Was this proof of an ancient alien civilization? The image spread everywhere. Newspapers talked about it. Scientists debated it. Conspiracy theories exploded across the internet years later. Some believed it was an alien monument. Others thought NASA was hiding the truth. And honestly, if you saw the original photo back then, you probably would have believed it too. But years later, NASA returned with higher resolution images of the exact same location, and the terrifying face suddenly looked very different. Instead of a giant sculpture, it appeared to be nothing more than a rocky hill with shadows creating an optical illusion. At least, that's NASA's explanation. But even now, some people still believe there's more to the story, because the human brain naturally recognizes faces. And somehow, out of all the random rocks on Mars, this one looked almost perfectly human. Coincidence? Maybe. But the mysteries only get stranger from here, because in 1977, scientists detected something far more disturbing than a photo. A message, or at least what sounded like one. It became known as the WOW signal. One night, a giant radio telescope picked up an incredibly powerful signal coming from deep space. It lasted only 72 seconds, and then it vanished forever. The astronomer analyzing the data was so shocked that he circled the signal on the printout and wrote one word beside it: WOW. And that became its official name. The signal was unlike anything scientists had ever seen before. It was extremely strong. It came from a very specific frequency linked to hydrogen, one of the most important elements in the universe. And the strangest part? Nobody has ever been able to fully explain it. Some scientists think it could have been a natural cosmic event. Others believe it may have been interference. But to this day, no one knows for sure. And because the signal never repeated, we may never know what or who sent it. Imagine that for a second. Somewhere in deep space, something sends a signal toward Earth. Humanity hears it once. And then silence. But if you think that's creepy, wait until you hear about the mysterious lights NASA captured on Mars. Over the years, NASA's rovers have photographed strange glowing lights on the Martian surface. Tiny, bright flashes appearing in the darkness. Some looked like distant beacons. Others looked almost artificial. And naturally, the internet went insane. People claimed they were alien cities, underground bases, even UFO activity. NASA explained that the lights were most likely caused by cosmic rays hitting the camera sensor, or sunlight reflecting off rocks, which honestly makes sense. But here's what makes it unsettling. Mars constantly produces strange images that look weirdly familiar. Human faces, perfect shapes, objects that resemble statues. And every single time, people ask the same question. Are we really just seeing rocks? Or are we seeing what's left of something ancient? Because sometimes Mars doesn't just look strange, it looks alive. NASA once released images showing massive black formations spreading across the Martian landscape. And they looked exactly like giant spiders, huge spider-like shapes crawling across the surface of the planet. At first glance, they look horrifying, like something straight out of a science fiction horror movie. But scientists say these spiders are actually caused by frozen carbon dioxide erupting from beneath the surface. Basically, gas trapped under Martian ice bursts upward and creates dark branching patterns across the ground. Completely natural. Still, if you saw those images without context, you'd probably think NASA discovered alien life. And honestly, that's the scary thing about space. Reality already looks terrifying enough. But one of the strangest mysteries NASA has ever encountered wasn't on Mars. It was surrounding us the entire time. A ghostly glow around our solar system. When scientists analyzed more than 200,000 images from the Hubble Space Telescope, they discovered something unexpected. Even after removing light from stars, galaxies, planets, and dust, there was still a faint glow remaining in space. A glow that shouldn't have been there. NASA described it as an eerie background light surrounding our solar system. Scientists think it might come from massive clouds of comet dust reflecting sunlight. But the truth is, they still don't fully know. Think about that. Even in the darkest parts of space, something is glowing, something invisible, and we still don't completely understand why. But what if the strangest thing NASA ever photographed was already orbiting Earth? This next mystery has fueled conspiracy theories for decades. The Black Knight satellite. According to the legend, NASA captured images of a mysterious dark object floating in Earth's orbit. Some people claimed it was an ancient alien satellite. Others believed it had been watching humanity for thousands of years. The photos showed a strange black shape drifting through space, and almost immediately, the theories exploded. People connected it to secret government programs, alien civilizations, even hidden messages from deep space. But NASA says the object was most likely just space debris from one of its missions. A floating thermal blanket lost during a spacewalk. Simple explanation. Case closed, right? Well, not for everyone, because the images still look incredibly strange. And once an idea enters the internet, it never really dies. But maybe the creepiest mystery of all isn't visual, it's audio. Because NASA has recorded sounds from space that are genuinely disturbing. Now technically, space is silent. Sound can't travel through a vacuum. But NASA converts radio waves and plasma vibrations into audio frequencies humans can hear. And the results are terrifying. Some sound like screams. Others sound mechanical, almost artificial, especially the sounds recorded near Jupiter and Saturn. Deep, metallic groans, high-pitched shrieks. Unnatural vibrations echoing through the darkness, and hearing them feels wrong, like listening to something humans were never supposed to hear. It reminds you that space isn't peaceful, it's violent, chaotic, unknown. And maybe that's why these NASA mysteries fascinate millions of people, because deep down, we want answers. We want to know if we're alone. And every strange image, every unexplained signal, every mysterious light feels like another clue. But the deeper humanity looks into the universe, the more mysterious it becomes. Maybe all of these stories have logical explanations. Maybe the face on Mars really is just a rock. Maybe the ghostly glow is only dust. Maybe every strange signal is just random cosmic noise. Or maybe the universe is far stranger than we're ready to accept, because out there, beyond the planets, beyond the stars, in the endless darkness of space, something is waiting to be discovered. And one day, NASA might finally capture the image that changes everything forever. So what do you think? Are these mysteries just science and coincidence? Or could some of them be evidence of something much bigger? Let me know in the comments. And if you enjoyed this video, subscribe for more mysteries from space, the ocean, and the unknown. Because the universe still holds secrets. And we've only explored a tiny fraction of it. And if you think this mystery was disturbing, wait until you see what scientists uncovered inside Egypt's Great Pyramid. Trust me, you're not ready for this one.